Today we are demonstrating the proper procedure for collecting samples for our Microanalysis and Filament Identification testing service. This analysis is available for all aerobic activated sludge systems. Operators can receive their sampling kit by either contacting their Aquafix technical service representative or going online to teamaquafix.com. Every standard test kit will come with thermal wrapping, 2 sample bottles, an ice pack, a Sharpie, a Ziploc bag, and a free return label for shipping. To start, we will grab our 2 sample bottles. Now the facility we are at in this video has a slight foaming issue, so we will be collecting 1 mixed liquor sample and 1 foam sample. Facilities that are not currently experiencing foaming can simply send in 2 mixed liquor samples. Additional bottles for sampling are available at an additional cost. No matter what, each kit is required to be sent back to our lab with at least 1 mixed liquor sample to get your most comprehensive report. Samples can be collected any which way the operator can get the most representative sample of their wastewater process. Since this facility has deep basins, we had to use a sludge judge to collect our samples. For mixed liquor, we recommend collecting your sample about halfway between your aerators and the edge of the basin. For foam samples, those can be directly skimmed off the surface of the basins. We had to use a small bucket to pull enough foam to fill the sample bottles. All mixed liquor sample bottles should be filled at least 2/3 to 3/4 of the way full, leaving enough headspace for air to keep the sample viable. Foam samples should be filled entirely. Once your samples have been collected, ensure that the lids are secured tightly. They can be rinsed off and dried to keep the lab kit clean. Proceed to then label the samples properly with the contents and current date using the Sharpie provided. Now that the bottles are labeled, you are ready to package your samples. Please place all bottles in the Ziploc bag and seal tightly. The Ziploc bag will then be placed into the thermal wrapping along with the refrigerated ice pack. Once the samples are secured, please follow the sample submission form instructions provided in the inside sticker of the lab kit. The QR code can be scanned to take you directly to the sample submission form on our website. If you're having trouble with the QR code, the link below it will take you to the page as well. On the sample submission form page, please be sure to fill out all the necessary fields to the best of your ability. Lastly, be sure to attach the prepaid return label to the top of the test kit. From there, you can take it directly to your nearest UPS store or simply give Aquafix a call and we can schedule a pickup for you. Please remember to send out samples on either a Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday to ensure that samples are not delayed over the weekend. Once your lab receives your test kit, they will conduct an analysis of your samples. Imaging, observations, and recommendations will be compiled into a comprehensive report. The report will be sent both by mail and electronically by your technical service representative. Please contact Aquafix if you would like to receive a lab kit or have any questions. Thank you.